Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What if I say that laptops flips your expectations? So today we are dividing into the Asus ZenBook Flip, a premium laptop, powerful tablet and a showstopper all-in-one laptop. So today we are unboxing and reviewing the Asus ZenBook Flip. So let's get started. Now let's take this beauty out of the box, and Asus never disappoints with packaging. So let's open it. So here you can see in the box we get our Asus notebook laptop. Wow, what a build quality, guys. And some documentations and our 60 watts of power adapter, and here's the power cord. Yeah, that's it. Now let's talk about the specification. So this laptop model name is ZenBook UX 363EA with the display size of 13.3-inch Full HD touchscreen with up to 1920 to 1080 resolution with IPS panel, and it is an Intel Core i5 processor with 11th generation, and the storage is 8 GB of RAM with the storage of 512 GB with NVMe SSD. It is very fast boot and file access also, with the graphics of Intel Iris Xe graphics, perfect for multitasking and casual editing, guys. About its battery backups, it has up to 10 hours backup, 67 watts of battery with fast charging. And talking about its weight, according to Asus, it has a 13.9 mm of size and it is 1.3 kg, thin and light, as is already you can see. It is very thin, guys, very lightweight, so perfect for carry, ultra portable with a built aluminum alloy body, ultra thin and durable. Now let's overview connectivity ports. This laptop has one HDMI port and two USB Type-C ports for charging and as well as data transfer. And this side it has nothing. On the other side, in this laptop we can get to see it has a power button here in the side of the laptop, and here is the one micro SD reader, and it comes with the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. You are always connected and blazing fast online. Great, you can see this iconic metal finish and this 360-degree of hinge. About its display quality, it has a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen. Wow, what a responsive display, as you can see, guys. It has a bright, vibrant and accurate screen, perfect for content creators, coders or student also. And we can also get this webcam also. Talk about the keyboard and touchpad. So let me experience the typing. I will write something here. Yeah, it is very responsive. Typing experience is very excellent, guys. You can see this backlight keys with nice feedback, very responsive keys and very smooth. Now let's see the touchpad. You can see, guys, touchpad also very nice, very responsive. It has the touchpad is great for Excel users. About its performance, it is powered by Intel Core i5 with 11th generation with Intel Iris Xe graphics. This machine is made for smooth performance. It has 8 GB of RAM, guys. Is good for daily multitasking but not unreadable. So heavy users might consider that, okay? And it has a 512 GB SSD, means lightning fast boot time and app loading, no more waiting, guys. It is very good in downloading speed, so fastest downloading and everything is very great. Let's test the audio. I will play some music. The audio is very clear and the vocals are also clear, guys, and the bass is decent for this size. And yeah, audio is okay. It's perfect for the meetings, video calls, and some Netflix chill also. In real world use, this laptop feels very light. It has a perfect for photo editing, and you want a laptop for coding. So yes guys, I recommend this best for coding. And yeah, you can do a high video editing for photos and all, and you can play some basic games also. Yeah, it's good for gamers. It's made for modern users who wants one device that can do everything. About its pros and cons, the pros is it has a 360 convertible design. You can see it has a 360-degree adjustable laptop. You can just feel and do everything whatever you want. I must say best for students, guys. Vibrant touch display, light and ultra portable, great battery, fast charging, and has a stylish number pad support. As you can see here, very thin and light, easy to carry, premium audio and look you can see. But about its cons, it has RAM not upgradable and no dedicated GPU, and gets slightly warm with heavy tasks. And still for its category, this one is champion, guys. I must say, if you want a laptop that flips into your lifestyle, whether you are a student, content creator or professional, this Asus ZenBook Flip is a perfect match. Premium look, solid power and flexibility, oh my god, and it's a 2-in-1. You love this review, so then hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for you never miss any updates from our channel.